Passion Economics.
Now we will look upon the algebraic derivation of IS and LM curve. Starting with the IS curve, firstly we will derive IS curve in two-sector model and later in three-sector model. So in two-sector model, condition for equilibrium in product market is as follows. That is, y should be equal to c plus I. As the model is two-sector, there is only two sectors in the economy. That is consumer sector and second is producer sector. Consumer sector does consumption expenditure and investment expenditure is done by producer sector. So the total income y is equal to addition of consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure. Y is the real national income. Now we know that C is a consumption expenditure, which is consumption function, which can be also written as A plus BY, where A is autonomous consumption, B is intercept of Y, and Y is income. B is change in consumption due to change in income. B shows the value of multiplier, that by how much amount there is change in consumption due to change in income. I equals to I bar plus dr. Here this is the investment function, where I bar is autonomous investment, d is coefficient of r, and r is rate of interest. So d shows change in investment due to change in interest rate. Here we can see that through both of these formulas we can derive IS curve in two-sector model. As we know, the equilibrium condition in product market is now we will substitute the values of C and I from here in the equation. Y equals to A plus BY plus I bar plus dr. Now here we can see that among the whole equation, here by is common with y, so we will take it to this side. So y minus by equals to A plus I bar plus dr. Taking y common, the equation will be as follow. Now we will substitute, take this value in denominator on the other side, and the equation will be y equals to 1 upon 1 minus b into A plus I bar plus dr. This particular equation is the IS curve equation in two-sector model. Now we will derive IS curve in three-sector model. In three-sector model, we use three different functions, that is tax function, consumption function, and investment function. So T is a tax function, where T equals to T bar plus Ty, where T bar is autonomous or fixed amount of tax and Ty is income tax. Here the value of T shows change in taxes due to change in income. Also C is the consumption function, equals where C equals to A plus B YD. YD here refers to disposable income. Now as we have included taxes, so obviously our income will be calculated as disposable income by deducting taxes from it, and investment function will remain same. So with the help of these three functions, we will derive IS curve in three-sector model. Now to derive IS curve in three-sector model, we will just substitute the values of T, C, I and YD in the given equation. So Y will be equal to A plus B YD plus I bar plus dr plus G. That is Y equals to A plus B Y minus T, that is value of YD, plus I bar plus dr plus G. From this we will get A plus by minus bt plus I bar plus dr plus G. Further, y equals to A plus by. Now we will substitute the value of T from here, and we will get t bar minus ty plus dr plus g plus I bar. From this value we will get I equals to a plus by minus bt bar plus ty b, or else we can write it as bty plus, sorry, it will be minus, okay, it will be minus bty plus dr plus g plus I bar. Now we have the common values of y here, so we will keep all the common values on the same side. Keeping the common values on the same side, we will get y minus by minus plus bty equals to a plus I bar plus dr plus g. Now we will take y as common. So taking y as common, it will be 1 minus b minus bt plus bt, sorry, equals to a plus I bar plus dr plus g. Now we will put this whole value in denominator on the another side. So y will be equal to 1 upon 1 minus b plus bt into a plus I bar plus dr plus g. This whole equation is equation of IS curve in 3-sector model. Now we will look upon the algebraic derivation of LM curve. So we know that money demand is function of income and interest rate. We have seen earlier that income is positively related with money demand and interest rate is negatively related with money demand. That is, for income we have seen transactionary and precautionary motive, and for interest rate we have seen speculative motive. Now here the equation m upon p equals to ky minus hr shows that real cash balance, the demand for real cash balance, this is money demand, is equal to ky minus hr, that is the ky here y, as we have seen this, that y is positive because the relation for demand, the relation of demand for money and income is positive, and hr is negative. The minus hr shows that relation of interest rate with money demand is negative. Here k shows income sensitivity to money demand, which means that k shows change in money demand due to change in income. That how much change in income, how much change in money demand will be caused by change in income. And h shows change in money demand due to change in interest rate. From the given equation we will derive LM curve. So m upon p equals to ky minus hr. Here we will subject r and put all the other things on the different another side of equal to sign. So subjecting r and keeping all the another thing on the different side of equal, we get ky minus m upon p. hr equals to ky minus m upon p. So r equals to 1 upon h ky minus m upon p. This particular equation is the equation of LM curve.